What's up, guys? We're back with another bike video. As you've seen in the last one, Will picked up this sweet Vader 150. What, a Condor RSP?
Condor RPS.
RPS. Got over 100 miles on it now. What we got?
142.
God dang, dude. Been whipping this thing.
I'll be changing the brake-in oil here probably this weekend, I'd say.
So, I mean, we ain't really got no complaints with it so far, I'd imagine, right?
Broke throttle cable.
Broke a throttle cable. You'll see it a little bit later in the video. It also got a mean vibration, apparently.
Oh, I mean, just at 8,500, 9,000 RPM, I mean, it's just an unbalanced Chinese motor, so.
Which leads us to what we're about to go do now. Will actually picked up a sprocket. He's gonna be gearing this thing up. Supposedly this is super simple. How long do you think it's gonna take?
Probably 20 minutes tops, and that's just me taking my time laying, taking a little nap in between. It's pretty simple. You take these two bolts out right here, pull that cover off, and the sprocket's right there. 2 bolts, take it off, and then I'll have someone pick the bike up so I can roll the sprocket in. It'll go right on. And
sick. So he's wanting a little bit more top end, basically, so it's not humming at them high RPMs. I don't know if it's gonna pull him. I
don't know. I'm not. So when you do this, you actually have to cut that cover. So I'm gonna do it without putting that cover on.
Yeah.
Test it. Be like, this is what I want, and then I'll modify the cover.
Other than that, it's hot as hell. We're about to get this in now. I picked me up a Benelli. Didn't show that in the last video. Love the color. Damn, sun's fucking me. Shit. This thing's pretty good. We ain't really compared them too much yet. We ain't raced ourselves yet. Kind of been behaving. Trying to. But we might take that out a little bit later. But for now, we're going to go ahead, get this inside, get this sprocket changed over, and see whether you like it or not.
We'll see.
Give me a couple revs. Sound like a 450. All right, so while we go ahead and change this front sprocket on the 150, I'm gonna insert a clip right here. Our buddy Brandon came down the other night with his, it's a Vader 125 knockoff Grom. He's done a carb, exhaust, stuff like that. It's pretty sick, I ain't gonna lie, $9.99. Dude, can't even beat it. China getting good. But yeah, we actually took all 3 out, raced them. I'm gonna include this now because, like I said, when we raced, this was on the factory sprocket and not this new sprocket. Damn, son, you got this thing jetted up.
That's right. Give her a minute, it'll shoot the plane.
Hard life, baby.
Oh, mini bike life.
Right here's it. You don't go past that.
Brother, I don't know how not to.
This ain't a car.
Brother, I twist the fuck out.
I know, but
see
what?
me out there.
No. Once she hits, stop. You ain't got it. That's it.
It's not possible.
It is.
I wish I'd have got it on film at how many rotations that cable had inside that thing.
It had 100 rotations. The whole cable was in here.
Hey y'all, Tyler and Maiden swung by. He actually picked up one of the 125 Vader knockoff boys. This thing's pretty sick. It already looks stretched. Don't know why. I think he's cheating, but
He got a real cool over too.
sick ass exhaust. Got the cone, old nibby carb. Them real pro tapers. Alibaba. Hey, she's back.
Ready to break this shit again.
Hey, so I don't know if anyone's done this comparison yet between one of the Vader 125, the 150, and the Benelli TNT 135. We ain't watched a lot of motovlogging stuff, but we're gonna take these out, do a hit. Obviously, Maiden's got the jockey in him. What are you wet?
I'm like 215.
Not a chance, dude.
He weighs less than one of my legs.
Will's probably handicapped right now, but he do got the 150, so we don't know. Thing make a lot of low end torque, but he is probably the most novice rider, I would say.
turn the fuel back on.
Alright, who we think's gonna win?
Huh?
Who's winning?
First of all, I'm pulling for Will.
I'm pulling for Maidens. You got an unfair advantage.
I'm only not pulling for Maidens because look at how little he is. He's tiny, man.
But I know that thing's gonna give him a run for his money. Fuel injected.
I didn't even get a vote.
I vote for you.
Alright. Saying,
I got 100 pounds on him.
we fucked up. Damn. I mean, he light,
No,
but
we fucked up because our life choices, not the bikes.
$9.99 just busted our ass. We're back in real time though, getting the front sprocket on now. We just got to tighten it up, tension it up. You got to do some side to side shit here. But after that, we're gonna take it out, see how this thing feels. All right, front sprocket's done. Sorry this video is a little bit of past, present, future all over the place, but Will actually just slapped on this slick gold billet fender eliminator tag bracket thing. Looks slick.
Like that.
It looks slick. So we're gonna go out and test it. We're gonna see if his phone can mount up here and still see the speedo. Don't. We're back at the shop. Gear change successful.
Yeah, it was nice, you know, just being able to cruise and not vibrate you to death at any speed because you don't really have to wring its neck out. Mostly 55 down the end, you know, the 4-lane.
Yeah.
It was nice. I got to modify the cover. I'm debating stepping to a 16 tooth. It works with the factory color and it'll be kind of the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
Get a little less RPM or a little more RPM. But I was at 7 and she's smooth until about 8. So I got about 1,000 RPM to work with.
I don't know. I'm humming 9 over or something, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah, no, without that gear, 55, dude, fucking 85, 9, just cruising.
So other than that, I actually ordered all the stuff to do the motovlogging setup, the mics, the Bluetooth, all the good stuff. I don't know how to do it, but that's going to be in tonight. Tomorrow we'll come back, get all that set up. Got some other little goodies too we might toss on. And that way we can actually get some quality footage of not like a phone vibrating in there, or me out here just acting stupid holding this while I'm riding. So
It was rough. I haven't washed it over yet, but it looked...
I will sample something out of it. I guess I ain't really talked much about the Benelli though. Found this locally, like literally when we ended this video off of this, getting it, this and popped up. Thankfully, it was like 3 minutes down the road. Picked it up. It's like $2,300. It's got some mods. You can see the exhaust. It's got the bar end mirrors, some grips. I think its speedo's been corrected. It's got clutches. There's some stuff done to it. So not terrible price in my opinion. I dig it. I love the color. The only complaint with this bike is this seat sucks, dude. Like it's rock hard right there. That's kind of where I sit. So looking into something like that, these don't have the aftermarket that these or the Groms do. So I'm kind of stuck. But I guess that's my only complaint with the bike. It just, the seat sucks in comparison to every other goddamn
mini bike, micro bike.
Alright y'all, we got the bikes out here. Me and Will got a little ricer and threw some neon lights on them. Our buddy Drew swung by, brought his Grom. This is a real Grom. That's a knockoff 150 Grom, but I'm gonna be real with you, like all the mounting points, like headlight and stuff, they look identical, so I'm pretty sure you could put that body on that bike, I would say. Levi's the only person here that's rode all 3 bikes. What's your opinion?
Don't freeze up now.
Oh, dude, don't froze up.
That one feels faster.
The Benelli?
Benelli feels faster. That is by far the most comfortable one.
Hands down, that bike,
down,
it don't even belong being that comfortable.
Throttle response on that one feels better than all of them.
Probably.
That one, instant throttle response. This one just feels like it's got more, I don't know about more power, it feels like it's got more torque. Like
Really?
You can, it pulls hard.
Chase being a bitch, supposed to bring out the 110, showed up on the...
Tomorrow. Bad fuel line, man.
That thing is huge. Anyways, Drew and Will's gonna race. They are the same weight. So we're gonna compare. I can't even get all y'all in this camera right now. We're gonna compare if the 150 with Will on it can beat an actual real Grom. We'll see. Ain't gonna be the best footage, but I got a GoPro slung up on here. We're gonna see what we can get.
On camera, man.
Yeah.
Please! Ride backwards on that. On
We also got another buddy, Trey, showing up. If you don't know who Trey is, he had the big in the last video. He's picking up a Grom clone as well, one of the 125s. So we're just gonna go mob the streets, see what kind of trouble we can get in. Hopefully not much. I ain't riding on that. Old dude done took his baffle out.
Probably slow me down a little bit. See the last end. You were pulling him right here.
Yeah, did you win versus him?
He was ahead.
He was good. No, his was faster.
Right here, I didn't see the rest. I got what I got on video and then out of sight.
His camera's facing down, so I gotta look up at the sky. If I look normal, I don't know.
For value, I think that one's faster.
Dude, you can't beat that bike for the money. Without a doubt, you can't.
I was gonna say, after seeing that, I don't know, unless I found a Grom for like $2 grand, just for the fuel injector, that'd be it.
For sure.
If not, $1,500 for that.
And then this falls in right there. I mean, I'd say we'll make one small loop back that way.
Damn.
It said neutral.
Mine did that first time I done it. It was in neutral.
It's in neutral.
Yeah, same. Grom clone don't look too bad.
This thing feels slow as shit, but I don't know if it's just because it feels slow as shit or it's like slower than shit. Hey, leave me alone.
The whole internet wanting to see the Grom clone versus the trail.
You better put the Grom versus the trail. The clone ain't got it.
Whole internet, damn.
Guess I'm gonna broke this while we riding.
Shit, I was like, man, I think that'll fit in that bag. I can't remember.
What you looking at me like that for? Race one of them. They're way heavier, so if they beat you, something's wrong.
You can't beat this. Take it home, bro.
It's a pretty good day of riding. It's getting dark now. You can see the full effect of these neons. They bright. I ain't gonna lie. Dude posed up. He's got his
You'll see my nuts in here. Okay, we're good.
Wait.
got the crucifix.
hit me up for all your needs. Model needs. I'm pretty cheap. A couple hot dogs an hour or something like that.
A couple hot dogs an hour. That's payment now. Shit. All right, so it's actually Wednesday right now. Friday, we got some more people coming. We're gonna go hit some more trails. These things, I mean, mine's doing all right off-road. I'm sure Will's getting a little more comfortable with his. You've bopped it around through here, so.
That's all I need to do.
Yeah. So I actually ordered all the stuff. I might have said it already. We need to get the helmets decked out for the Bluetooth and the mics and the vlog and all that, so y'all actually get some good angles. But we'll probably do that tomorrow, maybe. Get the helmet set. We ordered new helmets, but they ain't gonna be in time. So.
Luckily, well, yours, but I guess we can always remove whatever we do. So.
Yeah, no, we'll just Velcro the setups to these helmets, get them going right, and hopefully not hear us breathing.
Godspeed on that.
Oh, dude, mullet gonna be flying. Hi, y'all, we're up here on the mountain. We just got all the Bluetooth, GoPro, vlogging shit hooked up to these things. Not a clue how it's gonna work. We got it set up on mine, Will's, and Maiden's up there. He brought his Grom back. Chase is back with us on the Trail 110. We got all Freedom ringing over there. Turbo Jeep, if you've seen it in one of the older videos. It's not too old. Thing's doing pretty good.
Here's my
Going to jail. So how far does this road go?
This takes you all the way to Elizabeth.
Really?
Yeah, well, Bunker Hill, Elizabethan area.
I don't know.
So this road, that's where it's closed, that takes you up top of 421, like Jacobs Creek. Going left. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. So we ain't tried none of this stuff out yet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn all the GoPros on. We're gonna see if we can communicate. We ain't gonna be able to talk to each other unless the Bluetooth shit works. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna try. Bear with us. This is our first moto vlog, boy. We're gonna wreck today. Y'all know that, right?
100%.
I never seen it.
It's so fucking cool. He got a good video of me like jumping out of it.
What's the chances of a Ford Explorer coming through here about 80 and smacking us?
About 10 years ago, a lot.
Such a nice one, dude.
Oh my God, dude.
See if you want to dig right.
What was that?
Dude, love.
You damn right I won't. Damn. That's a lot. Damn, done cased it out.
Matt lost that one.
I got a bad case of helmet beard. I tell you that, not a fan. Tell you what though, riding these things really make you feel out of shape. If you're out of shape, I guess, because it's what my ass just... So we ain't ate all day. Me and Maidens got back to the Jeep a little bit before they did. They're just cruising. Once they get back, we're gonna go get us something to eat. I guess we're gonna load this damn illegal ass Coleman up. And yeah, we'll go grab us a bite to eat. Ride back to the shop. I don't know how much we'll show more on the GoPros. I'm gonna have hours of editing to do alone between 5 different fucking cameras. So yeah, we'll see you back at the shop. Oh, they two up?
That's not good.
Wheels hauling him? No shot.
I need to run out of gas.
No shot right now. What the fuck?
Oh,
What's up?
Torque converter belt. Gone.
No.
Shredded.
Well, I guess the Jeep can get to it.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll go load it up.
You got another belt?
Yeah, I got 3 at home. I should have fucking brought one. I just wasn't thinking.
Brought all the tools in the world.
Dude,
Fucking
I brought hose clamps, nuts, bolts, wash, all kinds of shit.
launched all them hoes out on that bump.
Yeah, it's just not a torque converter.
Dude, he was like, uh-oh, where's he at? And then we see another helmet poke around. It's like, no shot or two up.
Oh, fuck. I guess if I can double on this shit, I guess I can take my girlfriend for a ride down the street.
Yeah. Oh my God. Well,
Meat sandwich in my back.
got that door swung open on it. Like I mentioned earlier, that is the budget turbo Jeep that we done. We had like 500, 600, $700 in it. Nothing crazy, no tune, no nothing changed to it, just added a turbo. It's still doing good. I'm sure there's well over 1,000 miles on it since then. Beats the hell out of it daily. If y'all would like an update on that, just let me know in the comments. Cause that thing's kind of a ripper. I mean,
Yeah, facts.
I don't see it.
I don't see
They
it.
had a bed full of dogs.
Okay. Damn, I don't know how that thing ain't blew up yet. Brother, I don't know who you are, but we just become best friends. We down here at this grocery market gonna get some food. This dude out here with a hood stacked Fox body drifting in his yard. It's cool seeing other like-minded people. Oh my God. Damn, that thing gonna burn down. Oh, missed a second. Hey y'all, we made it back to the shop. Successful day, no pop tires, nobody wrecked. I can't fucking believe it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Maidens was pushing her pretty hard. I don't know how Will didn't dump it. He just kept up. Yeah, I don't know how I didn't dump it either. My man's over there broke his mini bike. So overall, I mean, this thing $9.99. It was like $1,200 shipped. Shit, dude, you can't beat it. She falling apart a little bit, but
Whoa.
I just, it's love marks right there. That's all
Yeah.
it is.
we got a little mud on these damn things. Mine's pretty caked up too, so ain't too mad about that. I'm hoping these worked. If you hear me say this right now and they didn't work, I guess it's just gonna be like a time lapse of just riding footage with music. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off here. I should have plenty. Hell, we raced last week with Maidens. We went riding with Chase and Drew. We got all kinds of stuff in this videos. If you like this kind of stuff, let us know, because this is completely out of the norm for us. We're enjoying it, but hopefully the quality of the content for y'all to watch is enjoyable. Like I said, we're going to end it off. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time. Peace.